Rolf Spectacles is a family-owned company in Austria, and they are located at the base of the Tyrolean Alps. And the countryside is definitely an inspiration for their all-natural wooden collection. The frame that I'm wearing today is called the Kadett. You can see the laser engraving that they've included in this particular model. A burl is a growth in which the grain has grown in a deformed manner. And Rolf has taken this deformity in nature and created something very beautiful. I've recently been informed that burl is the wood of choice for all Jaguar interiors. And considering the Rolf family loves their vintage cars, Jaguars in particular, they would appreciate that fact. In the construction of a Rolf frame, Rolf uses 9 layers of wood that taper to 5. It allows for a little bit of flexibility at the temple tip and then strike throughout the front of the frame. And their hinges are made from a solid walnut hinge. And this one here is their classic design, and they've recently introduced what's called a Flexlock hinge. So on this other model here, you can see that it has a little bit of a rubber coil in the hinge, and it allows for a little bit of flexibility. The Flexlock hinge allows for a soft, medium, and a firm tension. So depending on the fit of your face and the size of the frame, it gives you a little bit more freedom of movement. Rolf uses a coating on their frames that is UV protected, so if you're wearing this outside in the sun, it's not going to discolor over the years. And the material is also hypoallergenic, so if you have very sensitive skin, this is a fantastic option. If you're looking for a natural aesthetic in a frame line, come in and try on a Rolf. And this coming October, we're actually hoping to tour Rolf's factory, so we can give you an inside look on the creation of these amazing frames.